Vanilla Ice is known for his song Ice Ice Baby, but it seems like there is less and less ice to be seen during the winter months over the last decade in the DMV. If you were to average out the last 5 winter seasons in the district, the thermometer would be about 2 degrees above normal, which is about 39.7 degrees, which doesn't sound like much. Still, it certainly doesn't bring about a scenario where our local rivers will see much ice during the dead of winter. Now, 100 years ago, D.C. winters were a lot colder and a lot snowier. One of the coldest was on record was in the 1912 Arctic freeze that hit the district, tumbling temperatures to 13 degrees below zero. The cold wave lasted about a month and a half, but it did its damage by freezing over the tidal basin. Even earlier than that, many have seen the famous painting of George Washington's crossing on the icy Delaware River. The bottom line is that in the 21st century, we are witnessing one less winter phenomenon during the winter season, and that is what we call an ice jam. Now, the setup for ice jams begin when water levels rise as ice and snow begin to melt and flow downstream. Some of the floating river ice breaks apart, groups together, accumulates, and blocks water flow in narrow sections of the river. When this happens, water overflows onto the land, causing flooding issues. Now, ice jams can significantly reduce the flow of a river and cause upstream flooding, which is sometimes called ice dams. The subtle difference between an ice jam and an ice dam is that a jam is a stationary accumulation of fragmented ice that restricts flow on a river or stream, and the jam may effectively create a dam with an accumulation of anchor ice in the bottom of the river. From the DC News Now studio, I'm meteorologist Scott Sumner.